This is Cyndy G, and in this video, we're assembling the Peacock box card. And this is a very straightforward card. The hardest part of this is gluing on all these little eye pieces to the feathers. So there's 3 layers. I've done 2 of them already. And you're just going to layer these pieces just like this. Line them right up to the pointy edge. Of course, if you wanted to eliminate the inside piece, you could do that. Make it go a lot quicker. I decided to use pattern paper as my base. I don't typically do that, but I did for this one. I thought that this would be really pretty this way. This will make your fingers very gluey. Okay. So you can see that goes pretty quick. It's not super complicated. And you will do each layer that way. And you can see the layers are just slightly different size and they're offset. So that'll help you know which way they go. This is the box of the card. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue this together. This is like the slice cards. There we go. And the front and the back are just going to glue right on. So put the glue on the base because it does hang over. Now for the back one, you could cut this out white, cut that out white so that you can write your message on it. I should have done that and I wasn't thinking. Okay. And And then you're just going to fit these inserts right in. Slide them all the way down to the bottom. Easy peasy. There we go. And I think I'm going to pop this up with some foam tape. And there he is. There is the Peacock box card. And then it just folds over. Folds up and folds over. There you are. Thank you for joining me.